you've done for me.
Oh, I love it. Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Thank You, and that is by Tim Rogers. We are in the key of G, and this song was requested by Bryce Cameron. Thank you so much, Bryce, for giving us that awesome song for us to work on today. And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life. All right, guys, we're in the key of G. Let's get it. That's G, A, B, C, B, E, G flat, and G. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, guys, let's go ahead and do like we always do. Let's crack our knuckles. Let's stretch them out. And let's receive Tim Rogers with Thank You. That was Tim Rogers with Thank You. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So we're starting out with Lord, I want to say thank you. All right, what is that? We're on our 1, we're playing a G major chord. We're going to our 2, that's a C2 chord, C sus2 chord, I should say. Going to our 3, we're playing a regular G major chord. I want to say thank you. Beautiful chord right here on the 4, we're playing a G6 chord. They have this nice walk up. Lord, all right, what is that? All right, we're playing this nice big chord right here on the 2. That's a G, D, A. Then we're going up to our 5 flat. That's a A dominant 7 chord. Lord, I wanna say thank you. All right, what is that? So we're playing regular D major chord on the 5, walking up, C major chord on the 6, continuing to walk up on the 7, we're playing a D major chord. I want to say thank you. That's a 1, we're playing a G major chord. If you want to pass time by a little bit, you can play this. Alright, what is that? So essentially I'm playing an F diminished 7 chord in my left hand, and I'm playing my sister chords in my right hand. G major chord, A minor chord, back to the G major chord. Then we're going to a regular C major chord with a 2 in the bass. Resolve, I got my 5 and I'm playing a C major chord. Lord, and then we just playing the same thing. I wanna say thank you, right? Let's stop right there. Let me give you that. So I'm playing 3, 5, 6, 1. Going right back to my 6, and I'm playing this big chord. That's a D, A, E. All right, I'm resolving. That's a E dominant 7 chord. That's a D, A flat, E. For all you done for me. All right, what is that? We're on our 2. We're playing a C6 chord. Going to the 3, playing a regular G major chord. Dun. I'm hitting that C major chord twice on the 5. Me. Regular G major chord on the 1. That turnaround is nice and beautiful. Alright, what is that? So we're on our 3. We're playing this A diminished 7 chord. Going to our 6, playing a G6 chord. Regular D major chord. Resolve with the D diminished chord. All of that over the 6. For all you done for me. Alright, now that second time through, when they repeat, they're right here on the 7 flat. But now mind you, our chords stays the same. That's the C6 chord. Then we're going to our G major chord on the 6. Regular C major chord on the 5. And me. G major chord over the 1. They have this nice special. Alright, let me give you that. 6, 6 flat, 5. Right there on the 5 flat, we're playing a regular A major chord. Thank you. Alright, let me give you that. So we're playing regular G6 chord. And we just hit that twice, right? And then we're going up here to the 5 flat, regular A major chord. Going to our D major chord on the 5. We just bounce that twice. And then we're going... I love that. Let me give it to you. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 1. Now, right there on the 1, we're just playing a G major chord. They're doing this nice gospel turnaround. All right, let me give you that. All we're doing is we're playing 6. Right on the 6, we're playing a G7 chord. Going to our 2, we're playing a G7 flat 5 chord. Going to our 5, and we're playing an F major 7 chord, resolving with our G13 chord. Guys, I hope this was able to help you out. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt you. I know things are getting good, but before we continue, come join our growing Numerical Melodies community on Facebook. I'm sharing all the songs I love to hear and play, and I hope you will too. Go check it out. And now, back to our lesson. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is strength through adversity. I remember being young, with my mom working hard to provide for my brother and me, leaving us in daycare during the day. There I was told I had an I don't care attitude and was punished for it. Forced to write the same sentence on the chalkboard 100 times. If a child acted up, they would twist our ears until they turned red. Careful not to leave a mark. I remember one lunch where they gave me hot water while the other kids drank juice. What they did was not right. But even at that young age, I refused to let their cruelty break me. I drank that hot water and looked them straight in the eye, showing them it didn't shake me. That defiance became my strength, teaching me to endure, adapt, and rise above. Those moments taught me that your greatest strength often comes from the times you refuse to let others define your worth. The life lesson is simple. The pain you survive as a child can become the armor you wear for life. Hardship can be your prison or your launch pad. Choose to launch. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and learning with me. And Bryce, thank you also for that song that you recommended. Please request more. And guys, this is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to, yep, I heard somebody say it, 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million. Guys, this cannot be done without you. And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us. And we have a bell. I would love it if you hit that bell because the video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Guys, we're going to cut right to the chase. It takes 3 seconds. That's all. 3 seconds to hit that subscribe. I believe you can hit it in 3, 2, 1. Bam, I see you just hit it and you just hit the bell. Guys, you have just made my day, my week, my month, my year. You know what? You're not just playing the music. You are the music. This is AK signing off.